Dolphins. Oh, they're huge. Ay, qué lindos. That's an omen. It's gonna be a good day. Is it stuck? Oh, it's not stuck in the propeller. That's a good news. Oh my God. Let's go, Captain. We're late. Time to go. Huge, ay qué lindos. Oh my God, qué lindo. Oh. My second time seeing dolphins. Oh. I want to get in the water. You think they're gonna follow you? Because they got. That's an omen. It's gonna be a good day. You see they're coming. Oh, they're coming right behind us. Like. Hey guys, we got dolphins. They're trying to catch up. I wish I could do Miguel paddleboard.
Yeah,
We never done paddleboarding there.
that's a nice place. We can park the boat. We can park the boat over there, and we can paddleboard all around.
It's always fun in this area.
Yeah.
Hi, everybody, and welcome to another episode of SheViking Adventures. My name is Anna, and thanks so much for tuning in. Here we are. This is another underwater adventure, and the plan for today is pretty much check different sites that we can find fish. In the past, we've noticed that the fish that we've been finding are really small to speared, and actually the life is really not there. Not a lot of stuff going on the water. Very little fish we've been found. So we are going to try, I think, two different sites in this video. And we try to, my goal is to also go deeper, see if I can find more fish there, if I have more possibilities. So pretty much that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to check the bottom. I also want to do some lobstering, so I'm also checking for lobsters on the water. But guys, there's nothing. It's so sad. There's really little life in these corals. So we're not sure if it's the time of the day. We are exploring different possibilities. Later, I plan to go deeper and see how that goes. Try to go as deep as I can. I'm trying to just get my body used to the depth. I believe that I'm going to have a better chance finding fish that way. We explored this site for a little bit. There was really nothing going on, so we moved on to another site, and this is what happened during our travels.
Is it stuck? Oh, it's not stuck in the propeller. That's a good news. Oh my God. Here. Mia, don't put your... That's it? Yeah. Oye, ahora la vete tú. Wow. Yeah, Phil. Oh my goodness. I don't know. What do you think? Man, maybe it's a treasure.
I don't know what it is, but I know
It's long, super long.
super long.
Maybe it's an anchor. Yeah, I tried pulling it, I couldn't. It was like...
Wow. These anchors are very old.
The rope is super old.
Yeah. Oh, it's like
It's a trap.
it's a trap, yeah.
It's a trap. Pull everything. It's a trap without the thing.
Yeah. Somebody. Yeah, I don't know.
Keep pulling. Maybe we'll find something in the end. Yeah, let that go. Mm-hmm. where's the other end?
Historia really lost it.
It's a lobster trap.
¿Cómo se ve mover el bote, no? Oh, there's more.
What?
More in there.
They're all tied up?
Yeah.
Well, pull it in the boat.
Yeah.
Oh, because
they have like a net of thing.
just drop that. Oh.
Everything there, part
So don't drop my weight, please.
of the boat.
Oh, man. Yeah, they had them tied up so they don't steal them. That's probably...
I couldn't steal the motor. I couldn't.
Oh, that's why.
Okay, let me start moving. Okay, can you stay here?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'll get out of this area.
Yeah, but I need to retrieve the ladder. I need to retrieve the ladder. Wow. Some fish. We also need to feed it.
Well, that was an unexpected adventure on our way to the diving site. But here we are at the site, and I'm trying to go as deep as I can. My diving watch recorded 22 feet deepest dive, and another dive 18 feet. For some reason I lost data, but let me tell you guys, I was feeling good about going down, but the thing here was my ears. It was painful. I was having a hard time equalizing, and also I felt something that I had never felt before when reaching the bottom. A lot of pressure in my head and in my mask. It was very uncomfortable. So it was unfortunate because I felt like I couldn't stay longer down if it wasn't for the pain in my ears. But that was kind of cool.
Espera, este pie 45 seconds. And no shark. I said the same word, TV.